Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Creating an executable.exe from a Python project can be useful for distributing your application without requiring users to install Python or any dependencies. One popular tool for this task is PyInstaller. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of converting a simple Python script into an executable using PyInstaller. Open your terminal or command prompt and install PyInstaller using the following command. Let's create a simple Python script named hello.py. Open your text editor and add the following code. Save the file. Navigate to the directory where your hello.py script is located using the cd command. Run the following command to generate the executable. This command tells PyInstaller to create a single executable file, -onefile, from the hello.py script. After running the command, PyInstaller will create a dist directory in your project folder. Inside this directory, you'll find the hello.exe file, or a different name if your script has a different name. Run the generated executable. You should see the hello, this is a PyInstaller tutorial, message printed in the console. Now you can distribute the hello.exe file without requiring users to install Python or any dependencies. Keep in mind that if your Python script depends on external libraries, you might need to include them or provide instructions for users to install them separately. Congratulations! You've successfully converted a Python script into an executable using PyInstaller. Feel free to explore PyInstaller documentation for more advanced options and customization. PyInstaller documentation. ChatGPT. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of converting a Python script into a standalone executable.exe file using PyInstaller. This can be useful for distributing your Python applications without requiring users to install Python on their machines. We'll cover the installation of PyInstaller, the process of creating an executable, and some additional options you can use. To install PyInstaller, open your terminal or command prompt and run. Create a Python script that you want to convert into an executable. For this tutorial, let's create a simple hello.py script. Save this script in a directory where you want to keep your project files. Navigate to the directory where your script is located using the terminal or command prompt. Run the following command to create the executable. This command tells PyInstaller to create a single executable file, -onefile, for the hello.py script. After the process completes, you'll find a new dist directory in your project folder containing the executable file, example hello.exe. You can specify the output directory for the executable using the O or out option. If your script depends on additional files, example data files, use the add data option. This example includes a data file, data_file.txt, in the same directory as the executable. If you want to create a console application, a window doesn't pop up when running the executable, use the console option. You can specify a custom icon for your executable using the icon option. Replace path /to/icon.ico with the path to your icon file. You've successfully created a standalone executable from your Python script using PyInstaller. You can now distribute the executable to others without requiring them to install Python. Customize the process based on your project's requirements and explore additional options provided by PyInstaller. ChatGPT.